Perfect na regalo ko kay na Mami at Daddy. Matatalo ko na naman kayo sa pinakamagandang regalo sa anib nila.
You're so sure about that.
Bakit? Don't you know?
Prepararse.
Ha? Every year, your gifts is set aside in the garage. They can't figure out what you're giving them. Hindi lagi kaya sila nakangiti pag natatanggap flower crochet ko.
Oh, that's flower.
Flower pala yan? See for yourself. Pinagtitripan lang nila ako kasi pinakamaganda yung regalo ko.
Flowers pala yun. Kala ko buhok niya na puno ng decorations. I thought it's all of our faces stuck together. I thought that was a small trivet for mini cups.
Haha, trivet. That's funny. Naririnig ko kayo guys, kahit di ko alam yung trivet.
We
Alam
know.
namin.
Di kayo na Englisher at Englishera.
Fun fact,
Trivet is anything placed on a table to protect it from a hat bat.
ano to? Do not open? Wala! Ito trivet ko! Ay, flower crochet ko! Hi, saan na nire-regalo ko? May episode 11 na ng Demon Slayer! Villaferte! Assemble! Alam ko na! Brothers and sisters!
Move!
Alis ka dyan!
You're in the view.
You're a harang. Mamaya na nga pagkatapos.
That's it. I need more. Nezuko.
I have nothing to say. The story, the animation, the lesson, everything is perfect. Okay na. Okay. Picture natin lahat. Nandito ko yung regalo kay na Mami at Daddy. Maganda tayo.
Let's do it. After watching KNY, I'm in.
We should do it in the backyard. Okay, timer na natin and go!
Ba't naka-camera pa? Pwede naman sa iPhone 11 kung 256GB fully paid.
How long do we need to smile?
My jaw is starting to hurt.
Malapit na. Naka 20 seconds lang yan.
20 seconds! Siya, dito na lang tayo sa phone ko. 0.5 ko lang. Oh, my playlist stopped. Is that a dead mouse?
Guys, huwag kayong malikot. Malapit na. Black, don't you dare touch that dead mouse. I'm telling you.
Dito na lang
Stop
sa
my
phone ko.
phone.
Maganda ba dito?
Guys, yay, okay na. Isa pa, feeling ko pangit yung nauna. Guys, kanino una namin bubuksan?
Kay Bunso po, may ambag po kaming lahat.
Amin na patingin. Sana po magustuhan nyo kahit pangit kami dyan.
Anong pangit? I'm always handsome. Maybe you.
False, I'm the most appealing among us.
Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?